let me show you the SQL Server database. This is the SQL Server database, and this is my these are the databases which we have, right? We brought the data directly from Excel to a database called Wisdom, for example, and then we tried to pick the data from the Excel, and we bring these master data sheets right into it, so that these are going to be updated. Our any addition, any amendment we do, they're not only reflect in Excel but also then recorded. This we are going to achieve not in this session, in the next one. But for the time being, you have the master data all right here. For example, you see these records. These are the employees, right? Selecting all with all the different employees, right? Then selecting all the products, for example, yeah, all the products with all the codes like this, right? And selecting all the suppliers, for example, yeah, for example, yeah. So these are all the suppliers data, and their names are also. You see, there is products with S. This is supplier. Without S, this is M, not employee, right? So, keeping this in view, we pass on. We go to the Excel. Let me take you back to the VBA, in which we showed you this connect to SQL Server. Remember the steps in which the data is synchronized from the SQL Server, right? And the connection was established, and then until here we performed in the previous video. Later, now we are going to take you to the product data. So I have put these breakpoints so that you can see it's happening, right? Okay. So when you do the F5, let me take you to the interface. We have not placed any game. This we are going to achieve, right? For the moment, we just play this so that you see what is happening when we connect to the SQL Server. Yeah, it has reached here. It means it has successfully connected to the SQL Server, and it is now ready to download the data into the employee tab, right? And so that's how it is going to be synchronized, right? So it is synchronized. Synchronization of row. Successfully in these rows, not only that, it is all done in two parts. One is columns. The columns are synchronized. If there is any new column, that's going to be appended towards the right, right? Otherwise, these columns will remain here so that our own VLOOKUPs and other lookups are not remain unaffected. Okay, so click OK. Now it is due to the breakpoint. It has stopped. Now it is ready to do right parts. So we are not using the code to we are not rewriting the code. We are using the same procedure data download, sending the connection string, sending the record set, and sending the sheet name on which we need this synchronization. Okay, so now it is ready to go to the item master, the product master, and it is going to read to synchronize it. It has synchronizing all the rows of the products, right? Okay. The next is it is going to perform the synchronization for supply. We have the supply table. This time it is going to use the supply. So let's type in it. Yeah, it has synchronize all the rows successfully completed for supply. So only one common procedure has been used. What is that procedure? That is data download. Yeah, you see here, this is the data download, which takes the input of the connection string, record set string, and the sheet string.